Remember when we said that excess dopamine affects our focus and traps us in a vicious cycle of procrastination and distraction? In the last part, we understood the problem. But now, it's time for the solution. In this part, we'll answer the question that always comes after every theory. So where do I start? And what should I do? We'll walk together step by step through simple and clear actions you can start applying today to reclaim your focus and break the cycle that keeps pulling you away from your goals every single day. In short, if you want to take back control of your time, your focus, and your ambitions, then stay tuned. This video is based on the book Dopamine Detox by Thibaut Meurisse. So, what are the practical steps for the detox? Step 1. Identify your biggest distractions. Draw 2 columns, allowed and forbidden. In the first column, write down the activities you will allow yourself to do, like going for a walk, working on a project, or reading a book. In the second column, list all the things you must avoid, like YouTube or social media, for example. Step 2. Set up barriers. The harder it is to reach something, the less likely you'll do it. And the easier it is to access, the more likely you'll do it. So, design your environment in a way that makes unwanted behaviors harder and desired ones easier. For example, if your phone is your biggest distraction, turn off all notifications and put it in another room. Barriers work because the human brain is lazy by nature. If you need to walk to another room just to get your phone, you'll probably procrastinate longer. Remember, your brain is lazy. Use that to your advantage. Step 3. Start your morning before exposing yourself to high stimulation. If you check your phone or go online first thing in the morning, you'll likely feel scattered for the rest of the day. A solid morning routine will help you start your day with deep focus. Write down 3 simple things you can do each morning. The routine should enhance your focus, not overstimulate you. You could meditate, do some relaxation exercises, listen to calm music, write your goals for the day, or jot down 3 things you're grateful for. How do I increase my focus so I can finish my main tasks more easily every day? 1. Create a daily routine. This gives you a sense of control and reduces stimulation. It'll make starting work easier. Pick a fixed time and place to work on your main tasks every day. 2. Choose a positive trigger. Something that helps calm your brain, like a cup of tea on your desk, for example. 3. Just start. Don't worry about finishing the task perfectly. If you can just get started for a few minutes, you'll likely build enough momentum to keep going. 4. Eliminate all distractions. Turn off notifications, disconnect from social media, and stay offline, unless you need it for work. 5. Work consistently with no interruptions. Set focused work sessions with 5 to 10-minute breaks in between. 6. Avoid open systems. Distractions are often tied to open systems, meaning endless sources of stimulation from outside, like Facebook, YouTube, or the internet in general. Every time you open one of these, you expose yourself to high stimulation. You might end up scrolling aimlessly or watching video after video, and once you close the app, your dopamine is too high, and now you're struggling to get back to work. With open systems, there's no end to the distraction. So instead, use closed systems. Systems that don't give your brain a way to wander. They force you to focus only on the task at hand, like Excel files, Word documents, or PowerPoint slides. When you start your day with a closed system, you avoid overstimulation, and that makes it easier to tackle hard tasks. And with daily practice, you'll find yourself wanting to work on more tasks. What should I do to avoid relapse? Stay aware. If you get overstimulated and find yourself struggling to start a task, don't feel guilty. Just restart your routine, one day at a time. Prepare an emergency plan. Think about the distractions you listed earlier in the forbidden column. Now imagine the worst-case scenarios, like what might make you break your morning routine. And if it happens, how will you deal with it? Visualize yourself handling these situations in the best way possible. Activate the neurotransmitters that bring you to the here and now, like endorphins, oxytocin, and serotonin. These are the opposite of dopamine. They help you feel calm and present. Try activities that ground you in the present moment. Meditation, even for a few minutes, helps you be here now. Relaxation exercises that calm your body and slow your breathing automatically, helping you feel still. Mindfulness, being aware of what's happening inside you and around you. Mindful walking, stay present while walking. Listen to birds, feel the breeze on your skin, look at the clouds. Most of the time, we're stuck in our minds, thinking about the next task or the problem that's stressing us out. Deep social interactions. These activate oxytocin, sometimes called the love hormone. Boredom. Practicing doing nothing is a great way to lower stimulation. Our brains always want to be busy, but just for a moment, allow yourself to do nothing. Sit in silence. Observe your surroundings. Eat in silence. Walk with no purpose. You'll feel more peaceful and present throughout the day, and that will reduce the risk of overstimulation. In the end, today, attention is one of the most valuable resources and a huge source of income. Your focus is expensive. That's why social media platforms do everything they can to keep you staring at the screen. But your focus is also valuable to you. When you reclaim it and use it to achieve your goals, you can truly change your life. There will always be something or someone trying to grab your attention. You always have two choices. Either protect your focus by building habits and systems, or let anything and anyone distract you from what really matters. In the next episode, we'll talk about a book that looks simple, but has a deep meaning. A book that will teach you how to deal with the pressures of daily life and how not to let the small things steal your peace and inner calm. We'll explore practical ideas that will help you stop living in emergency mode all the time, learn to look at situations in a different way, and let go of what doesn't deserve your energy, so you can focus on what truly matters. Stay tuned for a calm and insightful journey with the book, Don't Sweat the Small Stuff, and It's All Small Stuff by Richard Carlson. See you next time.